안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. We'll be making spicy chicken stew using very simple ingredient. Actually, many people have requested this dish in halal version, and today I'll be making 닭볶음탕 in halal version. I bought a chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. Start by trimming the intestines from the chicken, pushing aside any remaining non-meat parts with your fingers. Then blanch the chicken in boiling water just until the color of the skin barely changes. This process helps to remove any gamey flavor from the chicken and contributes to making a high-quality dish. Drain the water afterward. The purpose of this step is to remove impurities from the chicken, not to fully cook it. So be careful not to overcook the chicken. Rinse the chicken under running cold water. Take off remaining intestines and the blood from the chicken. The preparation of the chicken before cooking makes a big difference in the results, so don't skip this step. I want to work on the vegetables and other ingredients that go in this dish. Cut the onion into big bite-sized pieces. I love carrots in the stew. Cooked carrots are sweet and gives a nice color to it. Cut the potatoes to a similar size. Green onion can be used in two different ways. The white part adds flavor, and the green part is mostly used for garnish. Chop the white part of the green onion and cut the green part into an inch piece. I enjoy different spices in this dish. Besides gochujang and chili flakes, I'll be adding sliced green and red chilies. Mince the garlic. In a small bowl, combine garlic, chopped white part of green onion, soy sauce, water, brown sugar, and lots of Korean chili flakes, gochutgaru. Always make the sauce in advance and set it aside for at least 15 minutes so that they incorporate well. Add ground black pepper. I want to add tteokbokki, the rice cakes, into the chicken stew. These are frozen rice cakes. Soak them in cold water for 20 minutes. Place the blanched chicken pieces in the pot and pour water just to cover half of the chicken, about 3 to 4 cups. Add the potatoes, onion, and the sauce. Then cook it over medium heat for 5 minutes. And then place the carrots in the pot. Lower the heat and cook it for 10 minutes covered with a lid. Check the potatoes, and if they're cooked, add the drained rice cakes to the pot. Let the rice cakes submerge in the broth. Check if the carrot is cooked by poking it with a skewer. Lastly, add green onion and chopped chilies. Increase the heat and cook it for an additional 5 minutes. Make sure the rice cake is soft. chewy, a little bit spicy, so flavorful. I'm gonna turn off the heat. You can make a great meal just by making a single pot of the spicy chicken stew. And the cooked potato actually contributes for thickening the sauce. It's a perfect meal for a chilly weekday dinner. Give it a try. I'll meet you on my next video.